In this screencast, we're going to create the characters page. In order for the readers to get into my story, I think it would be best if my readers know more about my characters. So I want to create a page with a list of all the characters I've created for this story. Let's open up the Rabbit folder first and load the characters HTML that I've created in the browser. And this is what it looks like. First of all, I've got all these character images from Big Stock Photo by searching for avatar. Then I have to resize these images that I purchased from Big Stock Photo to the same width and have the height of the image scaled to the resized width. You can actually do this by using GIMP. This is actually just some minor changes to the original template that we've downloaded. You see I've reused the divider image, and these individual characters are just an item on the page. Lastly, I created birthplace, birth date, and a small description for each of my characters just to make them more realistic. Let's minimize this. And I want to show you what the source code looks like for this page. Let's open this with top style. Let's close the side panel. The main layout always stays the same, so I'm not going to go over it. Let's get to the meat of the screencast. And I've created an item that's just for the page title, as I've highlighted here and commented. I have a div, I have a span with inline style making the C font, C text large cap, and then characters small cap, a paragraph, and close the div. So I want to show you this section. I still utilize the convenience that this template designer has given me, which is putting chunks of information in a wrapping div, which uses item class right here. Everything is nicely spaced and font looks pretty, and I want to keep it that way. Then I want to show you this. So I do need some tweaking to the item body section to make everything look the way I want it to. And you can see here, first of all, I have the image as the first item and have it floated left. Right here. I also forced an inline style to the image to have the solid border instead of dash borders because I think it looks better. Then I created a div and put all the character information in this div. This div may not be of any use because I did not assign any CSS styles, but it's nice to keep things organized this way because I'll know that this is where I have birthplace, birth date, and the description of the characters. And finally, let's put a line break with a clearer class that was originally set in the default CSS that clears any previous float style settings. Then you close everything up, slap on a divider, and we've got our first character item. Repeat this and there's the entire characters page. You see item 2 with the divider, item 3 without a divider because this is the last character. And that's it for this screencast. Thank you.